Here in Crocodile Swamp, we work hard to encourage natural behaviours from our animals, and this includes hunting activities that these animals would have to display in the wild in order to catch food. So, we replicate this by feeding our animals off a pole and making them jump out from the water to catch their prey. This makes the animals work for their food, think about how to catch the food, and just as importantly, makes them use all the necessary muscles they would use when hunting. Not only does this keep our crocodiles fit and healthy, but it also lets our visitors see them in action. Crocodile Swamp is an immersive exhibit designed to capture and encourage visitors' natural fascination with these large predators. We want to use this exhibit to tell visitors about conservation of crocodiles and why it's important. By conducting research into visitor learning, we've been able to investigate the most effective ways of doing this. For example, a fun and entertaining talk by a skilled presenter using artefacts has been a successful method of passing on our conservation messages.